Today's Aldi food haul meal ideas is based around my favourite thing in Aldi, you guys. And it's the Roosters salt and pepper shredded chicken. So these meals are a combination of dinner and lunch ideas. First meal idea, you're going to put your chicken strips in the oven, and then all you need is basically sweet corn, tomato. Chop your tomato and iceberg, add your sweet corn, and then add your mayo. And then when the chicken strips are totally, why am I doing this? And then as soon as your chicken strips are done, your meal is ready. You guys, we had this for dinner. The kids loved it. Seriously, kids loved it. Like it's like a simple meal. It was so good. Like, all the plates were done, and you know you've accomplished something when all the plates, like, nothing is on the plate. The next meal idea is perfect for lunch, and it's basically you put your chicken strips in the oven, some scrambled eggs and potatoes, and that is it. Meal number 3, again, is perfect for lunch. I say it's perfect for lunch, but you can have this for dinner if you want to. And it's just chicken strips, some avocado, cut your cucumbers, and add some mayo. Loved it. It was a lovely meal. This next meal, I have been trying to try out this meal for since last week. I've been wanting to try out this meal, and then earlier on this week I was finally able to get the chicken strips because they are so popular. I feel like in my local store they last about 2 days. Later on in the week they are not available. Basically some just normal French fries from Aldi, which are like 65p each. 95p each are the full pack of brioche burger buns. I basically bought 2 pack. We had some left over. Each person has 1 burger bun. Chop up some iceberg, mix it with some mayo, and put the iceberg on top of your burger buns, and then add the chicken strips on top of your burger buns. You guys, I ate this and it felt like McDonald's. I felt like I was eating something from McDonald's. It was so nice, you guys. Last meal, I've already showed you guys. You can basically just eat the chicken strips with normal tortilla wrap. I've already showed you how to make meal number 5. I'll link the video up here how to make this meal. But you guys, seriously, 5 different ways to eat these lovely chicken pepper and chili shredded chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you guys. These meals are perfect for lunch or dinner, so it's up to you how to make it. But at the end of the day, it was delicious, really nice, simple and cheap. So subscribe if you're not subscribed, and take care. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.